Muy or mucho. Muy in Spanish is an adverb. It means very, and we use it followed by an adjective or by another adverb. Muy lindo, muy tranquilo, muy lentamente, muy bien. Mucho means a lot, and it can be used as an adverb after a verb or as an adjective before a noun. Trabajo mucho. Comí mucho. Estoy aprendiendo mucho. Mucho frío, mucho tiempo, mucho amor. Keep in mind that when you use it as an adjective, it has gender and number, so everything needs to match. And what do I mean with this? If we have the noun amigos, which is masculine and plural, I can't say mucho amigos. I have to say muchos amigos. Or if we have the noun fruta, feminine and singular, mucha fruta. And that's how we make everything work. Follow me to improve your Spanish and book your free trial lesson now. The link is in my bio.